What's going on, guys? Josh Pocock here. Now, recently we've been covering many different AI pair programmers and IDEs. We covered v0.dev, we covered Windsurf, Cursor, v0, a bunch of different ones, Bolt.new, of course. Now, specifically between AI IDEs, there's really two main ones that are at a race to the top right now and really competitive back and forth, which is, of course, Windsurf and Cursor. I know probably about 50-40% of you are saying Windsurf's better, and then vice versa for Cursor. Now, just 4 days ago, I did a video about how Cursor just released their new AI agent composer, which is essentially something that is pretty much the exact same as Windsurf's Cascade, where it's able to pick its own context, understand the code base a little bit better, as well as use the terminal to run commands. All right, there's also some other features they added as well, commit messages, and a little bit of UI improvements. All right, and this was just after a couple weeks after Windsurf recently launched. Now, Windsurf has been pumping out changes as well. Yesterday, they came out with a new update, which we'll cover in just a second. And a week ago, they came up with a new update as well. So we'll go over both of these. So November 21st, Cascade can explain and fix problems. So explain and fix problem, Cascade will attempt to fix issues in the code base. Option appears on hover of the issue. Import from Cursor, so you can import settings and extensions available via command palette or reset onboarding. Well, I mean, of course, you could probably, this is like, you know, these are both Windsurf, or these are both VS Code forks. So pretty much like any VS Code settings, I would assume it's pretty standard that you could be able to import them. But it just goes to show how much, you know, both of these companies know they're competing with one another when it's specifically, you know, mentioning Cursor right here. All right. So new key bindings. So key bindings for accept all active diffs in a file. All right. So control enter by default. Key bindings to reject all active diffs in a file, control backspace, and then control plus shift L to open new conversation in Cascade. It also copies selected terminal editor text to new conversations. Improvement slash fixes here. So improve command, improve diff views, and then some miscellaneous stuff. We won't go over that right now. And then recently, which was yesterday, they had a pretty big update, which is the ability to upload images. Okay, so if we look in Cursor over here, let me just move it here. You can see we have Composer on the right hand side, and that there is no ability to upload images as of yet. I'm assuming I bet you, you know, mark my words, their next update, which will probably be sometime in the next few weeks, will have probably the ability to add images. All right, these guys are probably going to keep on copying themselves back and forth. Also, too, guys, correct me if I'm wrong, but ever since the new update, I believe you can't open Cursor in like that. Remember how it could open up as like a overlay in the UI right here? And now it's only on the right hand side. I don't know. You guys can correct me in the comments down below if that was just added after the whole Windsurf update, or if that was added before, and then or if that was included in when they did the whole agent thing, which was essentially a copy of Windsurf, or if that was already there. So let me know in the comments down below what the case is there for that. But from what I can see, it looks like they may have just done that after Windsurf, which just goes to show, like I said, both these companies are going to be going back and forth for the #1 spot. Okay, so uploads images to Cascade. Cascade now supports uploading images on premium models. Ask Cascade to build or tweak UI from on image upload. New key bindings. So key bindings to navigate between changes in Cascade. So Alt plus J, and then Alt plus K here by default. New key bindings to navigate between files within Cascade diffs right here. Miscellaneous stuff right here. So added option to control whether Cascade automatically opens created edited files enabled by default. And then fix minor autocomplete setting issues that affected some users. New quick settings panel UI. So it's actually kind of funny. I retweeted certain things around Windsurf and Cursor all the time. This is a funny meme I saw retweeted by my buddy Ray here, where it's like new smoking update right here. Cursor 0.432, which is the agent update right here. Windsurf's looking back at it. And then here we have 0.43 with cursor looking back at Windsurf. So really it's these two fighting it out, duking it out right now for that #1 position. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and test this new upload image capability. Right here, I just have an old project that we were actually used for another video doing some tests, task flow. It's not that pretty, not that nice. But what we're going to do is we're going to take a screenshot of this ClickUp dashboard right here, which has a lot of different moving components, a lot of different parts in it. And we're going to try this out just to see how this works out of box. Okay, so I am going to go here to add images right in Cascade. And I'm going to add this screenshot of ClickUp right here. So now we can see the screenshot has been uploaded, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to say replace all the main page that is currently in this Next.js app with the new advanced dashboard for task management in the screenshot. Make it exact. All right, so this is a little bit different, a little bit more complex since we already have some stuff in here that it's going to replace. It's not like we're generating this from scratch. So let's see how it actually does. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and send this. All right, so it's going to recreate this dashboard interface and use Next.js and modern React components. So it's going to check existing code structure right here, analyzing the made page content. So it's analyzed that. Now it's going to create the dashboard that matches the screenshot exactly. A sidebar with navigation, a top header with search and actions, main content area with overview, board, table, mind map, and list views, cards for recent items, docs, and bookmarks, a folder section below. So now it's going to update the main page. All right, so we can see here, it edited the main page, and I think this is kind of new that it shows these numbers right here. So 130 insertions, 95 deletions, and 7 unchanged, and you could open the diff to see that, which is really nice. So here it's going to install Lucid React. I'm going to say yes, you can install that. Yeah, I don't know why sometimes it's like kind of timing out right here with this command, so I'm just going to do that myself. I'm going to say cancel step right here and just run that command myself. All right, so it said it created the modern dashboard interface, going over what it added, layout structure, key components, styling, interactive elements. We're going to go ahead and click accept all while Lucid React is installing here. Wow. Okay, so this is really good out of box. It didn't delete this task or this sidebar over here that we already had. I can tell it to delete that. But look at this. Like this is really accurate to what we got here. As you can see here, we got overview, board, table, mind map, list, view. We got home, inbox, docs, dashboard, clips, timestamps, more. We got all the different icons here. We have spaces down here, a search bar, bookmarks, docs, toggle right here. Literally like almost everything. We have the cog icon right here. All right, so I'm saying remove the old sidebar that has the dashboard, tasks, analytics, settings. Only keep the new stuff. I think the old sidebar was the one that's in the layout, so it should remove this. Okay, so remove the entire existing sidebar since it's now handled by the new sidebar. Simplified imports, remove nav item, adjusted main layout, kept all the main contacts. All right, we're going to accept all. Okay, so no, it removed the new stuff. I'm talking about this stuff right here, which is kind of annoying. I'm going to actually just screenshot this. And I'm actually just going to highlight the taskbar that I was talking about, point an arrow to it. I kind of wish you could just drag it over, but whatever. We're going to add this new image here now. I'm saying no, add back the sidebar you removed. I'm talking about the one I highlighted in red in the screenshot. So hopefully it gets it right now. Okay, so task flow branding, whatever. Okay, so let's just accept this and see what it does. Okay, so it messed up again. I uploaded 2 screenshots. I said no, add the image sidebar from the first one. The second image screenshot is how it looks right now with 2 sidebars. There should not be 2 sidebars. Look through the entire code base to remove both sidebars, then add only the sidebar from the first image. So it said, okay, I understand now. Let me fix by removing both and then adding just the one sidebar from the first image with the home, inbox, docs, etc. So that is correct. So now it does understand it. Sometimes you just have to explain it better. Or now it's a little bit easier too, because you can screenshot things and add prompts. So even if your prompt isn't the greatest, you can like screenshot it. You can add 2 screenshots, 3 screenshots, which is really nice. You don't just have to only add one. You can say, no, this is not how I want it. This is how I want it. So that's really cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and accept. And boom, here we have it. Now we actually have something that works. Well, it's not working, but it actually is what we wanted. Of course, now what we could do is we could just really go to every single one of these pages, screenshot it, say, okay, add this page now, add this page, add this page, add this functionality. We could completely clone this app if we wanted to. Now, I think the future is, I mentioned this before in a previous video, I think it was my v0 video, where you'll be able to put an, I think the future will just be able to put a URL, and it will be able to crawl all the different web pages, screenshot the entire web pages, and then be able to recreate those, add the functionality, etc. But for now, this is really good. This is very useful. This is like, and it did a really good job, as you can see here. This is, you know, what we typically would use something like v0 for, and then import it over to Cursor. But now you could just technically do all of this in Windsurf. And the good thing about Windsurf is that it's only 10 bucks a month, and Cursor's 20 bucks a month, v0's 20 bucks a month. So you could actually save a quarter of that price with just Windsurf. Of course, you still could use those other tools. You still could even use Windsurf or v0 for UI, then import it into Windsurf if you like the ShadCN stuff. And I mean, you could do it in Windsurf as well, but you know, you may just like v0 for certain things. Who knows? But you could really just get by with Windsurf for 10 bucks a month, and it's very, very useful. And right now, Windsurf and Cursor are battling back and back to be the best AI IDE at the moment. So other than that, guys, I just want to showcase this new feature. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. We did a bit of troubleshooting. Of course, we could expand upon this and make it really nice and functional and all that good stuff. But other than that, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Do you like Cursor? Do you like Windsurf? Also, too, guys, if you're new to the channel, we upload videos all the time on AI, marketing, sales, business growth. So if you like the type of content, you got some value here, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to stay up to date with the uploads. Also, too, guys, if you haven't already joined our free community, stridecommunity.com, I'll leave a link down below for our free Facebook group and Discord channel. And then also, too, guys, I recently just created the new Stride AI Academy. I'm going to be pouring so much value into this group and community, as well as it's an academy going to be filled with multiple courses, resource vault, showing you guys how to use AI, GoHighLevel, client acquisition, AI coding. A bunch of different stuff is going to be in here, so make sure you join. It's currently free, but there is a chance, just because I literally am putting like a lot of stuff people would charge for in this, and I'm planning on doing that. So in the future, there may be a price tag to it, like a monthly price tag or whatnot. So as of now, you can join for free. So make sure to check it out. I'll leave a link down below. Other than that, guys, if you run a business, you need help with marketing, sales, implementing AI agents, AI call center, AI appointment centers into your business, then book a call down below at executivestride.com/reply, and we can see if it's a good fit or not. Other than that, guys, I will see you in the next video. Keep hustling, keep grinding. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. And of course, accelerate your stride. Take care. Are you tired of pouring thousands of dollars into appointment setters only to watch leads slip away? Imagine having a team of elite sales agents booking qualified appointments for you around the clock. No more wasted time on training, no more frustration with performance, and no more draining your budget on inconsistent and expensive call centers. Introducing Stride Agents, AI-powered appointment setters that work 24/7, never get tired, and book appointments while you sleep. Trained on thousands of successful conversations, our AI agents outperform human teams at just 1/10 of the cost. Join the ranks of businesses that doubled their appointments and booking rates in just a matter of weeks. Don't get left behind in the AI revolution. Visit strideagents.com now and transform your entire sales process with cutting-edge AI technology. It's time to accelerate your stride with AI agents.